Girl, I'm sorry I was blind. You were always on my mind. You were always on my mind. Baby, I didn't hold you all the Saturday lonely time. I guess I never told you that I'm so happy that you're mine. Little things I should have said, but I just never took the time. You were always on my mind. You were always on my mind. Tell me that you're sweet and that you die. Please give me one more chance to keep you satisfied.